Hi everyone, thanks for stepping in to watch. Today, we're diving headfirst into the delicious world of healthy eating, but with a twist. We're cooking for one. Forget those sad single-serving microwaved meals. We're about to elevate your solo dining experience with 5 easy, flavorful, and nutritious dinner recipes that will make you excited to eat healthy, even if it's just you. We're talking vibrant flavors, fresh ingredients, and techniques that are approachable even for beginner cooks. So whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out, grab your apron and let's get cooking. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more delicious and easy recipes, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future uploads. Let's get started. First up, we're making a juicy and flavorful grilled lemon herb chicken. We're going to start by patting our chicken breast dry with a paper towel. Next, generously season both sides with salt, pepper, a pinch of garlic powder, and your favorite dried herbs. I'm using a mix of oregano and thyme here. Now for that bright citrusy kick, zest half a lemon directly onto the chicken. Then slice the lemon half and place the slices on top of the chicken. Drizzle with a tablespoon of olive oil for extra richness and flavor. Heat a grill pan over medium-high heat and grill the chicken for about 5 to 6 minutes per side, or until cooked through and no longer pink. The internal temperature should read 165 degrees Fahrenheit, and that's it. Next, we're moving on to a vegetarian favorite, quinoa stuffed bell peppers. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Now let's prepare our peppers. Slice the bell peppers in half lengthwise and scoop out the seeds and membranes. Place the pepper halves in a baking dish, drizzle with olive oil, and season with salt and pepper. While the peppers are baking, let's make our quinoa filling. In a saucepan, bring 1 cup of water to a boil. Add 1 cup of quinoa, cover, and reduce the heat to low. Let it simmer for about 15 minutes or until the water is absorbed and the quinoa is cooked. Fluff it with a fork. Now add your favorite chopped veggies to the quinoa. I'm using diced tomatoes, corn, black beans, and some chopped cilantro. For an extra flavor boost, mix in a tablespoon of taco seasoning. Stuff the pepper halves with the quinoa mixture and top with shredded cheddar cheese. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the cheese is melted and bubbly. Let's move on to a classic and incredibly easy recipe, baked salmon with asparagus. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper for easy cleanup. Now, let's prepare our salmon. Pat the salmon fillets dry with a paper towel and place them on the prepared baking sheet. Drizzle with olive oil and season both sides with salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lemon juice. If you're feeling fancy, you can add a sprinkle of dill for an extra layer of flavor. Next to the salmon, toss the asparagus spears with olive oil, salt, and pepper. Pop the baking sheet into the preheated oven and bake for 12 to 15 minutes or until the salmon is cooked through and the asparagus is tender crisp. It's time to turn up the heat with a quick and flavorful veggie stir-fry with tofu. Press the tofu to remove excess moisture. Cut it into cubes and toss it in a mixture of soy sauce, sesame oil, and cornstarch. Let it marinate while you prep the veggies. Heat a tablespoon of oil in a wok or large skillet over medium-high heat. Add your favorite chopped veggies. I'm using broccoli florets, sliced bell peppers, snap peas, and carrots. Stir fry for about 5 to 7 minutes or until the veggies are crisp tender. Push the veggies to the sides of the wok and add the marinated tofu to the center. Cook for about 3 to 4 minutes or until golden brown and crispy. Now toss everything together. Serve over brown rice or noodles for a complete meal. Last but not least, let's wrap things up with a refreshing and satisfying turkey and avocado wrap. Grab your favorite whole wheat tortilla. Spread a generous amount of hummus over the tortilla. Layer on slices of deli turkey breast, creamy avocado, crisp lettuce, juicy tomato slices, and a sprinkle of red onion for a bit of bite. If you like a little heat, add a dash of your favorite hot sauce. Roll the tortilla tightly, tucking in the sides as you go. Slice the wrap in half and enjoy immediately. It's perfect for a light dinner or a quick lunch on the go. And there you have it, folks. 5 ridiculously delicious and healthy dinner recipes for one. No more settling for boring or unhealthy meals just because you're dining solo. These recipes prove that cooking for one can be just as exciting and flavorful as cooking for a crowd. Now, I know what you're thinking. These recipes were so simple and delicious, you might actually start looking forward to cooking for one. And the best part? You can easily double or triple the recipes if you're feeling generous or want to have leftovers for later. Don't forget to experiment with different ingredients and flavors to create your own variations. The possibilities are endless. So go ahead, embrace the joy of cooking for yourself. And remember, cooking should always be fun, delicious, and approachable, no matter how many people you're serving. Until next time.